Welcome to Ankush Sir Computer Classes. Today we are going to discuss one topic of Computer Science Part 2. In that we are discussing now flags of 8085 microprocessor. In day-to-day life also flags are used to indicate some result. Yeah, to indicate something. In 8085 also the flags are used to indicate the status of the result. Now from the next slide, I will show you how many flags are there in 8085 and what are the functions of each flag. Now here, the diagram shows you the total 5 flags they are given, that is a sign flag, then second is a zero flag, third is a auxiliary carry flag, fourth is a parity flag, and the last one is a carry flag. So total 5 flags are given in 8085 microprocessor. These flags are shown by 8-bit. 8-bit means 2 hexadecimal numbers. Now each from the next slide we are going to discuss the function of each and every flag. Now this is the first flag, a sign flag. Now looking at the diagram, the sign flag is of at the bit B7, that is of the 8th position. Now sign flag is used to indicate whether the given result, a result which is coming after the arithmetic and logic operation is positive or negative. If the last bit of the result is a 1, then we can say that the number is negative number. And if the last bit of the result is 0, then we can say that the number is positive number. Now here in the example, they are showing you the 82. Here is the result coming. Now 82 is converted into the binary numbers 1000 and 0010. So this 8 is converted as a 1000 and this 2 is converted as a 0010. By looking at the number, the last bit, the bit B7 is 1, means here the number is negative number, and if it is negative number, the sign flag is set to 1, that is S is equal to 1. In the second example, they are showing you the 02. The 02 is converted into the 4 zeros and this 2 is converted into 0010. Now by looking at the last bit, the bit B7 is 0, means the remaining number is a positive number. So here again the sign flag is reset to 0. So whenever we say that reset, it is 0, and whenever we say that it is set, then it is equal to 1. Now they are given here the S is equal to 0. So sign flag is nothing but to indicate whether the number is positive or negative. And whenever the result coming into the 8 bit, the last bit is reserved for the sign purpose and the remaining 7 bits are used as a magnitude of that number. So here 1 bit is used for the sign purpose and the remaining 7 bits are actual number. So by looking at this number, this is the negative number and this is the positive number. So here the sign flag is used to indicate whether the number is positive or negative. Okay, now in the next slide we are going to discuss a next flag, that is this is the zero flag. Now here the zero flag is set to 1 if the ALU contains all zeros, means whenever we are doing any operation, that is addition, subtraction or rotations, and the result carry all zeros, this will recognize by setting the zero flag to 1. So whenever the result contains all zeros, the zero flag is set to 1, and if it contains a non-zero value, then it is reset to 0. Now here they are showing you the zero flag. Now in the example they are shown you result is 0 means a zero flag is set to 1, and when the result is non-zero, the zero flag is reset to 0, that is z equal to 0. So this flag is modified by the result in accumulator as well as in other register also. So again I am repeating, the zero flag is set to 1 whenever the result contains all zeros, and a zero flag is reset to 0, yeah, it equal to 0 whenever a result contains a non-zero value. Now the next slide I will going to show you the next flag, that is auxiliary carry flag. Now this slide shows you the auxiliary carry flag. Now auxiliary carry flag is a third flag in the diagram. Now auxiliary carry flag is used internally for a BCD operations. Means whenever a carry is generated from the bit B3 to bit B4. Now what is the meaning of bit B3 to B4? Just look at the diagram. See, here is the bit B3, but by looking at the example, this is B0, B1, B2, B3, and this is the B4. So here 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, but in binary it is 1 0. So 1 plus 1 0, and the carry 1 is forwarded to this next bit. So here we can say that carry is generated from the bit B3 to bit B4 position. That's why here the auxiliary carry flag is set to 1, that is AC equal to 1. And if any operations are done, and in that suppose B3 to B4 is carry is not forwarded, then the auxiliary carry flag is set to 0. So this auxiliary carry flag is specially used for the BCD operations. Now BCD operations. Now a programmer cannot use externally, it is used internally by the microprocessor. So whenever microprocessors are doing the BCD operations, auxiliary carry flag is set to 1. In the next slide I will going to show you a parity flag. Now this slide shows you the parity flag. A parity flag is a fourth flag in 8085 microprocessor. Now whenever a result comes, and in that result if the number of ones are even number, then parity flag is set to 1. Now before going to discuss these slides, there are two types of parities are there, even parity and odd parity. Now I am showing you the even parity. Some books are following the odd parity also, but don't make a confusion, we are following the even parity. So just looking at the diagram, yeah, looking at the result, see here I am writing the 0C. Suppose consider that accumulator contains the 0C. Now 0 is converted into 4 zeros and C means 12, so 1100. So this is called hexadecimal to binary conversion. So here the number of ones are 2. This is 1 and this is the second one. So this is total 2 ones are there. So here it 2 is even number. So here the parity flag is set to 1, that is P is equal to 1. Suppose my result is 0 1, then 0 1 means 4 zeros and 0 0 0 1. So in by looking at this example, only 1 1 is there. So here odd number of ones are present. So parity flag is reset to 0, that is P is equal to 0. And if we following the odd parity, then it is a vice versa. But here in this, yeah, in your syllabus we are following the even parity. In the next slide that we are going to discuss, the last flag is carry flag. Now here they are given the carry flag. Now carry flag is of at B0 position, that is in the first position. Now in the example, yeah, before going to discuss the example, carry flag is used to indicate the carry. Means whenever we are doing the operations, whether it is addition or subtraction, if extra carry is generated, that carry is generated is indicated by using the carry flag. So if carry flag is set to 1, then we can say that the extra carry is generated. And if the carry flag is set to 0, yeah, we can say that reset to 0, then a carry is not generated. Now especially carry generated into the addition example. But whenever we are using the subtraction, for example, we are doing the 5 minus 7. So here 5 minus 7 in general life, the answer is minus 2. But in computer, 5 minus 7 is done by taking the borrow from the left hand side. Yeah, left hand side digit. So whenever a microprocessor use the borrow also, then that time the carry is generated. So carry flag is set at the time of addition also, at the time of subtraction also. So here in the example I'm showing you, here I'm using 08 plus 08. So here 08 conversion is this, and the next 08 conversion is this. So whenever I'm add this, the answer is 08 plus 08. Here they are given a answer 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, and the carry is forwarded, that is 1, and others are 0. So here a carry flag, how many bits are there here? The 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the ninth bit is not created. So extra bit is not created over here. That's why carry flag is reset to 0, that is CY is equal to 0. In the next example I am showing you that 80 plus 80. So 80 plus 80, whenever I am making this addition, all are zeros, so all remaining zeros, but last bit is 1 1, so 1 1 0, and the carry 1 is forwarded to the next bit. But accumulator size is of 8 bit, ninth bit it cannot be accommodated, so ninth bit is a carry bit. Yeah, we can say that the extra bit is created or generated over here. That's why this is indicated by setting the carry flag. So whenever the extra bit is created, the carry flag is set to 1, that is CY is equal to 1. That's it. So in this video we learn that 8085 flags has total 5 flags, that is sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, and carry flag. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, Ankush Sir. Thank you very much.